channel. In this tutorial we are going to learn how to recognize text in Flutter using Google ML Kit. So let's get started. Google ML Kit. So for this we have to import some of the packages. So we have to import one of the main, that is Google ML Kit, and after that we have to select image picker. Now we are good to go. Now let us make get my text. Now for that, let us make some step input. And let us say stateful widget. Let us make a stateful widget with name text RSC recognition. After that, let us say scaffold having body with single child scroll view. Now for the first part, let us create a simple text button with big image option. So for that, let us start. Size box having a height of, let's say, 100. After that, let us make it constant. After that, let us make text button. We will perform this functionality later. So after that, let us make a text data pick image. Let us make some style here. So style, text style, I think. Let's change font color. Dot sign, and font size, let us make 30. Perfect. Now I think we have to make it constant. To later. Now let us say background color should black. Now let us save it, and in our main function should call text refer, and let's see how our UI changes. I think we have to perform hash loading. Now let us centralize the button. Main axis center, and after that center, and let us wrap it with a center widget. Perfect. Now let us make here a container so that we can see what we have uploaded the image. So for that, us make a container having height media query of content. Pipe and width media query of content dot size dot width. For now, let us give one colors dot, let us say dull. Yeah, perfect. Now after that we have to know what the text is extracted, so let us make a text value. For that, let us say text, this is str array extracted data. Let us make some style here. Perfect. Now our UI is ready. Now we have to write some logic here. So for picking image, and now let us say void get image. After that, let us make it asynchronous function. Now image, from by using image picker live package, we can easily pick the image from our camera, or we can use gallery, or we can easily pick image from gallery. So for that, let us make image picker instantiate image picker. Now image picker. After that, let us expile image is equal to, we have to out for some time, so we use our function image picker dot pick image source. For now, I choose gallery, so source dot image source dot gallery. Now for now, let us store the path string. Path of image is equal to random value. Now we have, I think we have first. Now let us set the value image. What we have declared, I have forgot. Path of image. So path of image is equal to image dot path, and done. Now let us make a function that recognize text. Let us say void recognize text that take a parameter string path. Now we have to output submit asynchronous function. Now final I am input image. For that await input image dot from file, so we have here path. I think here path. Now again we have to declare final text detector Google ML dot vision dot text detector. After that we have to recognize text underscore text is equal to, we have to await for some minutes, so recognize text detector dot process image input image. So now after that we have to make some loop for first it have text block in input. We have text block in our BL in our recognized text in recognized text dot text. In our recognized text there is a block, so block for text, or in text block there is a element, so text line in block dot lines. After that we have for element text element text element in our text line dot elements. So after that we have to make here some final text. So our final text will be final text is equal to final text plus text element dot text. So final text is equal to final text plus slash, and this is used to break the line. Now we have to display our text, so is our text displaying function. Now let us make a boolean function so that to make sure that it is loaded. So bool is loaded is equal to false. Now when the image is loaded, then we have to make it true. Is loaded is equal to true. Now let us make a file image final file is equal to image. Let's say path. I don't know why it is showing error of the same, so we have to change it. My path now it is showing error. New. It is showing error to data input HTML. So let us make it let. Now after that we have to set the file path. My image path is equal to file, and here our image is image dot path, so it cannot be null, so let us make it not null. We can remove it here. So I think our task is almost done. Now here we have to show image. So child is, if the image is loaded, then we have to show it. So image dot file, and here is my image path. Else we have to display text. This is image section, and let us fit it in the box. Fit box fit dot to fill. Now we have to call if is loaded, then only we have to call it, else it will throw error. So, and let us make it 5 seconds, and let us run our app. Hope it will work. Now let us restart it. Not found. Why it is not showing? .html. Let us import. It get restarted now. Okay, our application is ready. Let us pick image, and let us pick one image. Okay, this is our image, and let us wait for some time. I think it is not restarted, so let us input here. And let us hard restart it again, and here we can see that our app is ready. Now let us check if our app work or not. So now pick image, and let us see what will happen. And here we can see that our text has been extracted using text recognition. Here we can see our image, and here is our text. So hope you like this video, and make sure you like, share and subscribe. So thank you.